What's up? Welcome back to his channel.
So we're going to Cheesecake Factory at 11 o'clock. Yeah, so we're gonna go to Cheesecake Factory in about like 40 minutes because there's always like a super long wait unless you go really early, like right when they open. So we're gonna go there for lunch. And then I think we're doing ice cream snack and just kind of chilling the rest of the day. It was supposed to rain the whole day and then it disappeared like usual. Although it is raining right now. It's like raining in parts of the day, you know, sections.
Okay, we're going to Cheesecake.
Here we are at Cheesecake Factory, and also that.
Okay guys, we just got seated. Guys, meet Mr. McFarkles. Okay, we got the food. Here we are. We got the food. I have carbonara. What do you have?
Chicken Bellagio.
Chicken Bellagio. Mom has the brunch combo. Noodles. What do you have?
I have the combo. The combo.
The combo.
I have the combo.
The
And then you
combo.
have the chicken pistoletta.
I like that bread.
Yeah, let's dig in. Sean is getting every last bit in there.
Well, the sauce is what tastes good. It's true.
Huh?
So we are just about to check out of Cheesecake. For some reason, they can't read our gift cards, so it's problematic.
Okay, we'll figure it out. Maybe it's numbers. I don't know what's going on with it.
Okay guys, we just left. Now we're gonna head to the car. We're gonna go to the hotel, drop off food, and then after that I think we're gonna head to Disney Springs depending on how the weather cooperates. Okay, so we're just kind of taking a little refreshing break before we head to Disney Springs, and hopefully the weather cooperates with us and it doesn't rain. But if it doesn't, then we'll just bring ponchos and get a little snack. Okay guys, we're heading out to Disney Springs. It's raining right now. I don't think you can see it that well, but we brought our ponchos.
So right now we're going to Dippin' Dots for Izza and Lorenzo, then we're gonna head to Disney Springs for Ghirardelli's. Here we are at Dippin' Dots, and there's also Indian restaurant and the dollar $1.99 store somewhere down there. Here, I'll show you later. So they are back after 1 minute of getting Dippin' Dots. I don't know what happened, but we're gonna drive. Huh?
I vlogged a little.
Oh. We're gonna drive by the $1.99 store. There's the $1.99 store. How's the Dippin' Dots?
Good.
Cool. So we're going to Disney Springs. No. Here we are just entering Disney Springs, which you can't see the sign anymore because of the cars. Oh, now you can. Oh. Alright, so we're gonna find parking, probably at the Lime Garage again, and then go to Ghirardelli's for ice cream. So the Lime Garage is full, but we're just gonna hope that someone leaves. So there are people leaving right there, so we decided to follow them because we're stalkers. We got our parking spot. We're gonna go inside and get Ghirardelli, like I said already.
Here we are at Ghirardelli. So I think everyone but me and Enzo are getting. So yeah.
So we're at Ghirardelli's right now. We just ordered. There's our mom paying. We got the food. And all the tables are wet, so we might have to like walk around and eat it, which is fine. So we have the ice cream right now. I have chocolate chip with dark fudge with cream. That's espresso chip, dark fudge. That is mint ice cream with sprinkles, and that is cookies and cream. How is it?
It's so good.
Yeah.
Good.
It's the first time I got it with the fudge. The fudge is really good.
Channel.
So Lorenzo is watching How to Basic, and I am so confused what this is.
That's yellow?
Oh, what the heck? He's just trying to clean a knife. I'm mad that this is funny. We just got out of Ghirardelli. We're gonna find Antonio, and I don't know. We might walk around Disney Springs a little bit, but it's a little rainy, so we'll see what's going on. So we are going over to Winnie the Pooh and Rainforest Cafe, where we always take a picture whenever we're here, and kind of recreate whatever we had. So we're gonna go do that.
Here we are back in the car. This person's waiting for us to get out because most of the spaces are full.
So we just got back to the hotel. The plan is to go swimming, and if it's storming and they close the pool, then we're just gonna hang out in the room. We brought some board games and stuff that we'll play, and yeah, so we're all kind of tired, so just wanna chill. So we go swimming. So Izza is watching Harry Potter, and Antonio is, I think, doing a lecture. He has a summer class. Lorenzo is watching something on here, Star Wars. Dad is on his iPad and sleeping. I don't know where Mom is. I've been editing the first day of the Florida vlog, and I want to eat this muffin before it goes bad. It is, let's see. It's 5:44. We're about to eat, or not about to eat dinner, but we have dinner kind of planned. No, we don't. We don't have dinner planned. We're trying to make dinner plans. We're not sure when to eat or where to eat, but I think we're thinking burgers. But I think eating this muffin beforehand, it won't affect my appetite for dinner. So that's what we've been doing. It's been raining pretty hard. Actually, let me show you guys. Oh, yeah, we were about to go swimming, but then it all of a sudden we just could not see outside the window, so we checked outside the door because, you know, we could see it a little better, and it was like heavy downpour. So and then there was also like really loud thunders and stuff, so we couldn't go swimming, but so we just stayed here. That was the plan B, which I told you guys about. So I'll update you guys about dinner and all that stuff. So we are going to get some burgers. Only some of us are going. Izza and Antonio are going to stay behind. But I think you can probably hear it, but it is very rainy outside. So hopefully we can get to the car not super wet.
Yeah.
Go. It's not too bad. Although the puddles, wait, hold on. And I have flip-flops on, so. Okay, go on the left side. Ugh. Yeah, that wasn't too bad. I'm cold now.
He just landed that smooth.
I
We
also
got some
made
burgers.
I mean, they know we went to the burgers.
Okay, fine. Okay, we
No,
got
mine
the
are in there.
food, so we're gonna distribute it and then dig in.
So you got burgers. We have burger, fries. We have funnel cake fries, and I think okra. We are playing Telestrations right now.
No one, John, no one's gonna get this, but I want to see what happens.
Okay. Well, the thing is, I don't think Dad knows what it looks like.
Too bad.
But
Too bad.
yeah, I'll show you guys. I think we might put this in the vlog. So this is the result of Izza's thing. We did it wrong, so Izza was guessing her own drawing, but we were just doing it. So this is the guess of, here, show the drawing. So Izza was given this drawing, so she knew what the word was, but she just guessed it off of that. So that was the guess, because we have no idea what this means.
That comes from.
So that's what I was thinking, but
That's an elephant.
That's an
I don't know.
elephant?
Okay.
And then
How would you draw an
Then-
elephant?
came from...
With your loopy legs?
Okay.
Okay.
Holy crap! So I was like looking like that.
That's who
You were looking at your eyes?
Yes.
Why?
Hey guys.
You look
Who
at the
is
picture.
who is that?
What
Who is that?
Who is
Oh,
that?
Izzy.
Izzy.
Yeah, why?
That's what I guess.
Isa's face. Oh, good. That's pretty good.
Wait, hold on. What did you have to draw?
So did you understand what this was?
Oh.
Did you understand what this was? And
There's
then
a
he
blank.
drew-
Okay. What? Where did this come from?
I came from that picture. What is it?
Why did you draw it like that?
What's it? What's the word?
Gas station. But how come? Where'd you get SpongeBob from?
That's what he guessed that. So I.
It looks like a SpongeBob car. Have you?
Oh no.
What is this supposed to be?
What is this?
A horse? A horse? Horse.
Not the whole tail's puffy.
Poodle.
There's a poodle.
We are playing Pekwa, which is another Filipino game. I
is
skipped.
It is? It what?
You skipped.
It is?
Is it?
Yes. Did you win?
No way.
And something else.
I had like
Two, yeah,
I had like
one,
2
two.
8s.
This is
We're
bad, man.
really slap
Slap
happy.
happy.
We're gonna make a
Should
reaction
we?
video to our old vlogs and bloopers, and
We should do that
maybe
now.
the videos on our
Soon as the radio-
phones. That's the end of the vlog today. Thanks for watching. I know we didn't really do much, but that was the plan.
Yeah, we needed an off day.
Yeah,
I
it
think
was
this is
a
like
chill day.
one of
It
our
was a
only
little
days from not going to a park.
more
so.
chill than we wanted it to be, but that's okay. It also rained too much.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we're slap happy. It's not good.
Tomorrow we have dim sum, and then we're gonna go to Islands of Adventure again. So be sure to subscribe and make sure you're watching the rest of the vlog. We have like 4 more days. So yeah, be sure to do that. Stick around for tomorrow's Islands of Adventure again. We're gonna, not the whole day, we kind of just like half the day, do specifically like Velocicoaster and Hagrid's.
Yeah.
And so we will see you then.